Like, why am I fighting for my life to pull apart this dumpling? And I called them earlier that day to ask them if they made everything fresh, and this is what the lady said.
Yes, we cook fresh every day.
Look at this. We ordered plantain, not plantain chips.
Alright, so right off the rip, they don't even have the right color. They're not warm. They feel hard. And they all look like that. These things are stale, bro.
I believe that's gotta be dog doodle.
What is this rubbery thing? What is all this rubber? What is all this?
Vomit fragments on rice and peas.
Sounds like it's been cooked in chicken batter. Probably one of the worst festivals I've ever had from a Caribbean restaurant.
The fact that someone saw this and still put it in a bag and sold it to me is insane. I spent $40 on this entire meal and nothing was edible.
Plantain so ass, I had to give it to the birds, yo. Sunrise, you guys just step your game up there. You all tripping, bro. And stop having all them Africans up in your spot, bro. It's a Caribbean spot, bro. Fix up, bro. Fix up. Fix up, bro. Your food's getting fed to pigeons, bro. And seagulls, bro. We don't want that, bro. Let's have a low rating, bro. Fix up, bro. Fix up, bro.